Here is a mental workout for your personal well-being. If you've not already done so, watch the Mental Workout Essentials video first. Remember, you can add other programs to your personal Merkaba and they'll keep executing until you delete them. Here we go. You can have your eyes open or closed. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Say to yourself, Merkaba. Surround yourself with a star tetrahedron. Expand the star tetrahedron or shrink so you fit. The star tetrahedron can be as big as you like. Notice the star tetrahedron spinning like a dynamo. Now, surround the star tetrahedron with the outer sombrero or flying saucer shape. Ensure the flying saucer shape encloses the star tetrahedron. Program the Merkaba with the words love and awakening, joy, health and prosperity. Add any other programs you see fit. That's it. Stay with the Merkaba field you've created for a few more seconds if you like, or move on to your next workout.